Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how many stickers I can make in 1 hour. So I have a wholesale order I need to work on. They ordered 40 stickers. So we are going to see if I can make all 40 stickers in 1 hour. I'm kind of hopeful, I'm kind of not sure because I laminate all of my sticker sheets. That adds a lot of extra time. So we're gonna find out together if I can do it. So they ordered 8 different sets and 5 of each design. So 40 total, but we're gonna see, I'm hopeful. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you everything I'll be using. Okay, so this order is all glossy stickers and clear stickers. We have 2 sets of clear, so 10 total, and all the rest are going to be glossy. Each of those will also be laminated, and I use pouches, so you'll see I pull them apart, so I have 2 sheets per sticker design. So I got my laminate. I also have my laminator because it is thermal laminate, so I'll have to run it through on hot. And this will add a lot of extra time laminating each sheet. Of course, I have my printer and Cricut, which you will see, but I also have a couple tools. Scissors to trim the laminate, a Sharpie to go over the registration lines, and also tape to go over the registration lines. So that way the glossy paper does not blind the Cricut. So I think we're ready. Let's go ahead and start the timer. Okay, I already messed up. I should have trimmed the laminate on this set because these were a lot shorter and didn't take up as much of the page. So now I'm short on the laminate for that one, so I'll have to cut another sheet. But we're gonna go ahead and finish these. Fortunately, that did not work, so I'm gonna print another one of these. That way I can use another pouch and use the 2 sheets to do these stickers. But that already took up quite a bit of time. I guess it didn't. We're at 51, 56, if you can see there. So not too bad. If it takes me about 10 minutes per 2 sheets, I feel like that's pretty good. So let's stop rambling and redo that sticker sheet. Less than a 5-star rating, and it's also probably just a support system of... Okay everyone, I went ahead and paused the timer so I could do a halfway check-in. We have 33 minutes and 49 seconds to go. So far, these are all of the sticker sheets I have printed. I still need to cut them. I have about 4 or 5 more designs to print.
So that's a pretty rating review, and she's also read the book twice.
Okay, can you guess how many stickers I was able to make? Well, if you guessed 19, you would be correct. So not even close to my goal of 40. I don't know why I was kind of feeling hopeful that I could make 40 in an hour, but with how long it takes the Cricut to cut and I can't print while it's cutting and the laminating, I don't know what I was thinking, but I was able to make 3 of the 8 sets I needed for my wholesale order. So I was able to do the clear flower bouquet, the clear pink butterfly, and the Halloween cat. So, you know, I'll take it, you know, in an hour, not terrible. And 19 stickers. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and watching me try to make 40 stickers in an hour, which is kind of crazy. But I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.